guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com and welcome to Etsy Lingo for Etsy sellers. Today we're going to talk about digital download. What is exactly a digital download? So a digital download is an electronic form of a product without receiving a physical copy of it or a tangible copy of it. And what are examples of digital goods? So an example include ebooks, softwares, digital images, manuals in electronic format, music files, website templates, pretty much any item that can be electronically stored in a file and share. And how do you purchase digital goods, right? You might want to know that. The way that you purchase a digital good online is that usually after the payment clears, the merchant will provide you a secure link where you can download the item or they'll email you the item as an attachment. So this is what digital goods are. I hope that you learned something today. If you like this lingo, Etsy lingo, make sure you leave a comment below with any terms that you would like me to go ahead and make a video on. And thank you for watching.